Well, hello, and thanks again for tuning back in to Doug's X5. If you're a first-time watcher, my name's Doug, and today we're going to talk about another upgrade to the 2012 Jeep JK, and that is Barricade Rock Sliders. And it looks like they're really going to be able to protect the Jeep if we get into a particular situation that we're uncomfortable in on the rocks. This is how the Barricade Rock Sliders come packaged. Alright, so here's what everything looks like unboxed. And tools you're going to need to do this job is a torque wrench, possibly a breaker bar. I have an impact gun, creeper, and a jack, using the jack to help hold it up in place. If you don't want to use the jack, then what I did is I ordered a helper. And my helper just arrived today. The helper came boxed up, so let me unbox and see what I got.
Hi! I'm here to hold the camera.
Okay, so I thought I'd take a minute to show you the instructions that are sent with the rock sliders. Essentially, they tell you to remove the body bolts from the frame, install the rock sliders, and then reinstall the body bolts to the frame. Refer to your owner's manual for the torque, but typically they're torqued to 35 foot-pounds. First thing we need to do is remove the body bolts that hold the body to the frame. We're going to remove one here and one here. They're 18 millimeter. I'm going to attempt to take it out with the impact gun. Now I have a block of wood, my jack, and I put the Barricade Rock Sliders supported by the wood. We're going to jack it up into place. Just loosely. Now we'll thread the bolts back in. And we will put our blue Loctite, as was on there when we pulled them out. That one started finger tight. Next we'll run them down gently. Move the jack out of the way. We will set our torque wrench. The specified torque is 35 foot-pounds. 30 and 5. What I noticed is you can see from this box we're flush right here. If you go to the back, you can see the box and the rail runs behind. It doesn't mention anything about how to install these, so I am going to assume, and possibly be making an ass out of myself, that the aft that sticks past the box is going to be the rear of the rock slider. So I'm going to go with that and leave it. Now let's see how quick we can get the passenger side done. Here's what it looks like from underneath. Hey babe, show everyone how these rock sliders help you out. Nice. So not only do they help protect the Jeep when you're wheeling, they help you get in and out of it as well. We might need an easy button for that one. Wow, that was easy. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and it's helped you out in any way, do me a favor and hit that like and that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and I hope you appreciate the effort that goes into making these videos, and I hope you're getting something out of them. So once again, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.